Good morning, everyone. I'm Madeline Vergara, Sales Executive here at Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos, Manila. So I'm here to discuss about X-Force Mitsubishi 2025. So Mitsubishi X-Force GT 2025 equipped with new generation dynamic shield design. Also has all LED T-shaped lights and rear lights. Mitsubishi X-Force equipped with 4A91, 1.5 liter, Maybach 4 inline, 16 valve DOC, gasoline Euro 4. Mitsubishi X-Force equipped also 18-inch two-tone alloy wheels. The Mitsubishi X-Force has also equipped with keyless operating system. Also equipped na rin siya ng side mirrors, turn signal light. Equipped na rin siya ng genuine leather seat with heat guard. Ayan. So this is Mitsubishi X-Force GT. Also equipped na rin siya ng melange fabric center panel. So, ito naman ang kanyang steering wheel. So, equipped na si Mitsubishi GT ng adaptive cruise control. And also, meron din siyang hands-free button. And, meron din siyang 3-spoke leather wrap. And also, equipped na rin si Mitsubishi X-Force GT ng tilt telescopic adjustment. And also, equipped na rin si Mitsubishi X-Force GT ng 8-inch LCD meter cluster and 12.3-inch smartphone link display audio. And also, equipped na rin si Mitsubishi X-Force GT ng wireless charger. And also, meron na rin siyang 4-drive mode, which is normal mode, wet mode, gravel mode, and mud mode. For safety features, meron tayong 6 airbags dito kay Mitsubishi X-Force. And also, equipped na rin si Mitsubishi X-Force ng Yamaha Premium natin, which is meron tayong 8 speaker dito kay Mitsubishi X-Force. So, let's go here for second row Mitsubishi X-Force. Ayan. Meron din siyang aircon dito sa center natin, and also meron din tayong charging port, which is Type A and Type C. The back of Mitsubishi X-Force, equipped siya ng hands-free power tailgate with lift sensor. Ayan. So, automatic na siya with sensor. So, ito ang kanyang luggage room. So, kayang-kaya niya ng 400 liters. So, sa back side, ito ang kanyang button. At meron din tayong light. So, ayun ang Mitsubishi X-Force natin. Again, this is Madeline Vergara, your sales executive here at Mitsubishi Jose Abad Santos.